Welcome to EJ Bits. This is our review of the Uonevic newest T10 smartwatch. So this smartwatch is very special because it has blood oxygen. It also has a Bluetooth speaker built in, and it also has blood pressure. So quick specs: it has a 1.65 inches square screen, and it's Bluetooth 5.0. The battery life can last from 5 to 7 days if you have your regular heart rate monitor and blood oxygen monitor and blood pressure. It's waterproof, IP67 rating. And the design, this one I got here is color gold. So they have three colors. They have matte black, they have a silver, and this is their glossy gold. So this one is, your manual. Here are some of the watch faces already included. There is no watch face store, but there is a custom one. So here's the charger. Just make sure to line it up correctly, and it will charge. It doesn't say if what's the percentage of the charging. So here's the watch. So to change the watch face, just long press and swipe and then select your watch face. So here are some of the already built-in ones. This one is one of my favorites. And this one, we have a painting here. This one is a custom one. You can set it up using the app. Just change the background to whatever picture you want, and you can choose between analog and digital for the time. So the heart rate sensor is really good. It's quite accurate. The blood pressure and the blood oxygen, I'm not entirely sure if it's accurate or not, because while I was testing, it recorded the blood oxygen 99% blood oxygen saturation even when it wasn't touching the wrist portion. So the music feature in this watch only works if you use the watch for Bluetooth speaker, as a Bluetooth speaker. So if you connect your watch to your phone, it won't control the audio. You need to connect it and play your sound through the phone, through the watch first. You have basic controls like stopwatch. You have your weather information also. And actually, one of the cons about this device is the refresh rate of the screen. As we can see, it's very not so smooth. It's 5 hertz, possibly 5 hertz. Yeah, it's 5 hertz. And so here are all of the basic features of the watch. If we swipe to the top, as we can see, we have here our race to wake. We also have our brightness settings. So the brightness is very good. It's alright for an LCD panel. Again, this is an LCD panel display. It's not your OLED display or anything. There's your battery percentage. There's your weather again. And if you press this button, it will turn on the Bluetooth. So you can connect your phone for audio. So this does play audio. You can also call through the watch itself. It's a very cool feature. So you can play music through the watch. You can call someone through the watch, and that's a bonus feature. If you swipe down, you will see your messages and notifications. And again, a quick reminder: it only has a few watch faces. So you can avail of this product in the Uone Lazada page. All links will be in the description. They have lots of smartwatches, and I do recommend some of their watches. It's very good for the price. The price of this thing is 1,559, but on the 12/12 Lazada sale from December 12 to December 14, the price will be 1,329. Okay, so this is your blood oxygen, 98%. You're supposed to be having 90 to 99% blood oxygen uh, it just means that you're getting enough oxygen in your body if the sensors are accurate for this one. And this one is your sports. It has a few sports modes, and here we have some more features. If you press the find phone, it will alarm your phone so that you can find your phone. So it has 6 built-in exercise modes. You have walking, running, cycling, climbing, yoga, and elliptical. And again, thank you so much for watching the previous video. You guys seem to like it, so hopefully you will also like this watch and give it a try. And this watch can also save your phone book, so up to 1,000 phone numbers it can save. So just download the V-Band app on the Play Store or App Store, and here you have your information. You have your number of steps. You can see how much steps you made in the past week. I've been wearing the watch on and off, so if you see any no data for the day, that's a very simple explanation. So for the sleep detection is all right. It's good. It actually works, and as we can see here, the interface of the app is very simple. It's very nice. It's very simple, and in my personal opinion, this watch can easily beat your Apple Watch SE because of the blood oxygen, blood pressure, and accurate sleep detection. You know, there are some caveats using the app. It's again not as mature. Here we have your this is your heart rate, and it's also quite accurate using the heart rate. And for me, I would sacrifice those little problems in the app or in the watch and the 5 hertz refresh rate of the screen. But since this watch already has blood oxygen and blood pressure, which only comes with the more expensive watches, I really do recommend this one. So here are some more informations about this one. I think this is your blood pressure. Yes. The strap also, it's very smooth and premium. And yes, so again, I want to thank you for watching this video, and just watch this phone. I'm showing you guys the different features. You have your blood oxygen, and it can all be, set using the app. You can always set, how the time. Oh, this one is your custom watch face. So you can just change your custom watch face, select your picture that you want to use. Very simple. And for the price again, 1,329 on Lazada 12/12 sale. It's quite a steal. You don't really see blood oxygen and blood pressure on these devices. If you need the blood pressure test on the go, this is definitely a good option for you. These are some of the settings. These are my recommended settings. Although if you use my recommended settings, your watch will only last for 5 to 7 days. But if you don't have your regular checking of your heart rate, your blood pressure, and all of those things, your battery life can last up to 2 weeks. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and get notified because I will be uploading more review videos. And comment down below if you have any questions. I would be answering them. And my final thoughts for the product: the feel and the durability, the design, everything, it's a 9. The strap is very premium. It's Apple Watch level stuff. Your app is a 7. Your watch UI is a 7 also because of the refresh rate. But my overall rating for this product, for the price and the blood oxygen and blood other features, it's an 8.5. This product is really good for its price. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more of these types of content. Thank you. See you next time.